So I was in a hurry one day and I wanted to make something super nutritious, and I realized I have broccoli in the freezer. That's easy to keep, some frozen broccoli, and it's so full of beta carotene, which is great for your body. It's greens, which enriches your body with lots of oxygen, and it's tasty, especially if you make it like my soup here that I made. It's your 5-minute meal to healthy, nutritious. Your family's gonna love it, even the kids. So first we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our pan. And we're gonna get it warming. Then we're going to add 4 cups of frozen broccoli. If you want to use fresh broccoli, that's fine. I just wanted a fast meal, and frozen broccoli is easy to keep in your freezer. So we'll put that in. Next, I'm going to add my seasoning, which is a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. We're just going to put those in, stir it around a bit. And finally, we're going to add 2 cups of either chicken broth or veggie broth. The choice is yours. Give it a good stir. We're going to bring it to a boil, and we're going to cook it on high for 5 minutes, and then we're going to blend it. Now that it's boiled for 5 minutes, we're going to take this and put it in a high-speed blender and make it into a creamy soup. Now we've got the broccoli and the broth in the high-speed blender. We're going to snap a lid on, and we are going to blend this until it's creamy. Now that it's creamed, we take it out, and we're going to pour some beautiful soup. So you can see that I creamed it into a beautiful green creamed soup with some Parmesan cheese sprinkled on top. You can serve some extra slices of cheese on the side for some protein. This is going to be a delicious meal. Look at that.